All right, so today I'm going to show you how to make a stand for the foam-filled alien Halloween prop that I did a review video on in a previous video. You can check out that video up here in the I button. We're going to use PVC pipes to make a stand for this because this is going to be standing up in our home haunt. All right, so first things first, what do we need to build this stand? Well, obviously we need the alien. I will link all of this in the description box below if you want to check out what we're using to build it. So you need the alien, obviously. And this is a 10-foot section of PVC pipe, and we're using 3/4 inch PVC pipe. You can get a 10-foot piece for under $5, Home Depot or Lowe's. And then you need a very special kind of connector. You need this type of connector. This is a 3/4 inch, but a 5-way connector. This isn't actually used in plumbing. It is used to build things like furniture and stands and things like that. Now, we couldn't find this at Home Depot or Lowe's, so we had to order them, and they only came in a pack of 4. So we got a 4-pack. That actually cost us $13. It was the most expensive thing besides the alien on this build, but I will again link that in the description box below. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to get the right size PVC pipe. Now, just to be able to get this in the car, I already cut it in half. The alien measures exactly 56 inches from foot to head. Now, where we're gonna mount the alien, again, I showed this in the other video, but there is a mounting hole right up here. So we're gonna feed a screw in through here, through the PVC pipe, and that's how we're gonna stand him up. So I need to cut, and I already attached one of these, which is going to be the stand at the bottom. So I need to cut this so it's exactly, and I measured to the hole, 54.5 inches. So that's the first thing. Measure this and cut it at 54.5. All right, so now when we got the main pole, what we do with the other section is we need to make the base. And we're gonna cut off 4 1-foot sections to be able to put into the base piece. Hopefully that will allow him to stand up. So that's the next step. All right, so I got it cut up into 4 equal sections, and now I'm going to cut each one off so we have 4 1-inch pieces. All right, so now we plug these 4 into the base. Okay, so we've got our stand all put together, and it's pretty sturdy. Again, he's not very heavy, so we don't need a lot of weight at the bottom. We are eventually going to spray paint this all black because it's going to be in a darker room. But the next step is we're going to stand him up and position it exactly where the hole in the back of his head is, because then we're going to drill a screw all the way through and anchor him to this pole. Next step, we're going to drill a hole right where we made the mark. All right, now we're going to use the screwdriver and we're going to hand screw in the wood screw all the way through the stand. And once we get it just to where the tip is out, then we're going to attach it to the alien head, and then he'll be on the stand.
Then I want to wobble.
And then last thing we got to do is just paint the stand, and then we've got a fully functional standing alien, and I think it looks creepy as all heck.